Damvig was founded in 1995, where we got our first Stratasys 3D printer. It was a FDM 1600 and a groundbreaking technology back then. Today we have multiple 3D printers at the site and doing a lot of production here. Actually, we do 60% manufacturing, 40% prototypes, and the numbers of manufacturing are growing day by day. As the market develops, the requirements for additive manufactured parts grow rapidly, but also the quality of the parts achievable with 3D printing technology is rapidly evolving. All the advantages of 3D printing is what the customers use today. You have things that you cannot produce in traditional ways, and that is why with a lower volume, 3D printing is your solution. Stratasys is a great partner for us because they develop and deliver the systems that we need to serve the market. So we invested in the SAF back in 2021 after we finished the alpha testing of the system. And we did that because we saw that the system had a very, very good repeatability in the builds it did. There are multiple reasons for investing in the SAF. One of them is that the system for now is running in PA11, which is a sustainable alternative to other materials savable out there. And the demand for parts printed in PA11 is rising. The thing is, when you do production, you need something reliable, something that repeats the thing you did before again and again. And that is exactly what the H350 is doing. It's a super stable system that keeps on doing exactly what you ask it to do. There's also the thing that when you do high volume production, it's of course very important that you can nest in as many parts in the build as possible. And here we have a very, very high nesting density due to the technology. Because we have so much control over the heat distribution in the system, we have everything under control. The whole process chain is that first of all you do all your prototyping traditionally, then we turn into production, which is on the same systems where you do the prototyping. After that, you're ready to do the finishing on the part, which is the post-processing and coloring, and then you're off to the market. One of the other great things with 3D printing is that you don't need to have a very large setup to start producing parts. You can use a service bureau or you can get in it yourself. The future for 3D printing is super bright. We have a technology here that is evolving super fast. And with the Stratasys H350, we are a good step ahead on that. Just the speed and the accuracy of the system makes you just want to have more. The growth we have here in Damvig Prototal is rather quickly, and we will need multiple systems to fulfill the demand we have.